What happens when you fast for over 24 hours? Sa totoo lang, a lot. Backed by science and centuries of tradition, fasting can trigger powerful changes in your body. In this video, we'll go through 6 key benefits of fasting over 24 hours at may evidence to prove each one. Let's start with the most fascinating benefit, autophagy. This is your body's internal cleanup system. Auto means self, phagy means eat. Ang literal meaning niya ay self-eating. But don't worry, that's a good thing. During autophagy, your body breaks down and recycles old damaged cells, like a built-in detox system. This helps out clear anything that's not functioning properly, including precancerous cells. Research shows that autophagy is significantly activated after 24 hours of fasting and even more after 48 hours. Kaya kung tumagal ka sa fast mo, mas lumalalim ang benefits. Next is blood sugar control. Fasting helps reduce insulin resistance, which means your cells become more responsive to insulin. That's important because high insulin resistance leads to high blood sugar and eventually diabetes. Ayon sa mga pag-aaral, regular fasting can improve blood sugar levels even without major diet changes. This makes it helpful for people of risk of diabetes or those managing metabolic issues. Third, fasting boosts fat loss and metabolism. When you don't eat for a long period, your body burns stored fat for energy. Pero hindi lang yon. Study shows that fasting increases levels of norepinephrine, a hormone that helps speed up metabolism. So not only do you eat fewer calories, your body also burns them faster. And the best part? Muscle tissue is preserved, which helps maintain a healthy body composition. Number 4, anti-aging and longevity. Animal studies have shown that fasting can delay aging and even extend lifespan. Although more human research is needed, the science is promising. Bakit? Because fasting reduces oxidative stress and promotes cellular repair. Two key factors in slowing down aging. So if you're thinking long-term health, fasting might be your secret weapon. Fifth, stress resilience. Fasting puts your body under a type of controlled stress, just like exercise. Sa una, mahirap, pero over time, your cells adapt and become stronger. This stress response mechanism helps your body cope better with physical and mental challenges. It's like a workout, pero internal. Mitochondria gets stronger and your overall cellular defense improves. And lastly, cancer supportive benefits. Research shows that fasting may reduce the side effects of cancer treatments like chemotherapy while also making these treatments more effective. Through autophagy, your body becomes better at targeting weak and damaged cells, including tumor cells. Syempre, hindi ito kapalit ng medical treatment, pero it can be a powerful complementary practice with your doctor's guidelines. But, a reminder lang, fasting isn't for everyone. Kung may existing health condition ka, buntis ka, underweight, or senior, always consult your doctor first. And during your eating window, make sure to hydrate and eat nutrient-rich food. One way to support your fast is by taking fermented drink rich in enzymes, prebiotics, and probiotics. Parang rest day ng tiyan mo, while still getting nutrients to support digestion and gut health. To recap, fasting for over 24 hours helps with autophagy, blood sugar control, fat loss, anti-aging, stress resilience, and even cancer therapy. Kapag sinamahan ng tamang pagkain, fasting becomes a powerful way to refresh your body and mind. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also comment below with your thoughts. For more health information, just visit our website at getbetter.ph.